Okay, this is me, Aiden, and we're gonna feed it, and we're gonna go outside, and oh my God, you're gonna go with me, and we're gonna change, and go with me. Yeah! My room. Pick up my bucket. There's my bucket. Not sure. Outfit here, necklace, shoes, and shirt, like my shirt, and I got hat.
Pick up the shirt.
That's Sophia right there. Hi, Sophia. Hi, Sophia. That's Sophia. All right, buddy. Let's go feed the chickens. We got a lot of.
Touch it.
See, Papa's supposed to go touch the. Ah! Ooh, ew! There you go.
Come on, let's go.
You didn't look. You gotta go like this.
I'm going to
Hey,
go.
don't worry about it.
The red thing.
Wait, I want to get one.
Let's go inside the mansion.
On that chicken.
Look for some eggs. Oh, there's some eggs in there. Go get them. No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, get the eggs, buddy. All right.
6.
2. There's no more? They're scared of you.
What's the name?
I don't know.
You have to think of a name.
This one's going to be. Gil.
Well,
Huh?
It's a quail, but
So
what do you
I'm
want
going to put it back.
You want to put it back?
What do you want to call him?
Oh.
Say, come on, Donald.
where's he at? Come on.
I'm going to bring it down and put it over there.
Okay, yep.
He doesn't.
Let's go feed fish first, and then we'll feed the game.
No, you have to throw little pieces
Careful,
first.
don't fall through. I don't have a hook to put on it.
Throw little pieces first.
Feed
Nothing?
fish.
Where are your fish at?
Fish
Where are your fish at?
smaller pieces, fool. That's a big old piece. Small. Oh,
That's a small one.
eat in small pieces. Small. Don't eat it. Oh, Aiden. Oh, reel it.
Careful, Aiden.
I can't.
Don't do it too hard up.
It's way too hard.
Is that heavy?
Oh, yeah, that's a big
There's
one.
a big.
That's a big one.
How about the tail?
Mimi, come here.
You don't got it though, do you?
Oh.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I don't think you got it.
All right.
Watch out, guys. Aiden, don't throw the whole thing in there.
seen him make millions out of billions? Is there already? I just need to buy it. You've already made your money. But if I'm buying it for another